Hi everyone and welcome in this new video tutorial. Today we are going to build a cryptocurrency website by using WordPress, Elementor Pro and some premium plugin to add a ton of cool features to the website. All the plugins used in this video, you can find them in the description below. Let's start right away. So let's see what you are getting at the end of this tutorial. So you will be having this cool crypto website with all those cool coins and a lot of cool features. I say cool way too many times, but this website is very complete and full of options. In fact, as you can see, I have some coins in my favorite list. I can add some more here, for example, and then if I click on this little star, I can show all my favorite coins. Great, the price is updating live and we have a lot of data and we can personalize and customize all of those information as we wish. So let me remove some of this favorite and voila, you don't have anymore all the other favorites. So it's really cool. You have also the option to change the currency here. You can search whatever you want. Let's search for ADA, for example, and I have ADA Cardano here. So there is a lot of cool system. I can go to the next page and check for other crypto stuff. And yeah, so you also have like this cool slider. All those widgets are made by a plugin for WordPress, and in this video you will learn how to actually use it and how many features they have. So I'm going to coins and let's say I'm going to NFT, and of course I have also the list of NFTs here, and the same for all the pages like DeFi, for example. And as you can see, we have DeFi, but another cool feature is that when you click on Bitcoin or any other coin, you get to a single page and this is generated automatically. And you have also the buy sell Bitcoin. This functionality I will talk probably in another video, but setting up all those, it's very easy, and in this tutorial you will see how to get everything. As you can see, we have many tabs here and the charts and whatever you want. Let's say I'm going to the historical data. I have the historical data of these. I have the exchange tab, and I can check also the single exchange information by clicking on this, for example. And as you can see, there is the Binance exchange information. All those pages are generated by the plugin automatically, and you can even edit each coin and add your own information. So let's get back on Bitcoin. As you can see, I can edit all those tags. I can do whatever I want. There is the official website, all those kind of cool stuff that are fetched automatically. This is very nice. You can zoom on 1 month, you can change to 3 months. So this is a very complete website, and I highly suggest you guys to follow this tutorial to build your own crypto website. So let me go back on the home page. In this video tutorial, we will be seeing how to create this website in Elementor and WordPress, and some extra plugins that I will leave in the description of this video. So the many other pages here aren't made, as I will make another tutorial for these pages, but otherwise you will have all the basic stuff here, all the basic gainer and loser, for example, working fine on your website, and all those basic stuff that you can really kickstart your project. So let's start right away. If you followed my previous tutorial on how to start a website, of course, you will end up with Elementor, Elementor Pro, SiteGround Optimizer, and of course, in the appearance and themes, you will have the Hello theme. All of those plugins and themes are in the description of this video. So once you have everything installed, we need to get our crypto plugin right now, right? So the plugin is called CoinMarketCap, and of course I'm also using the full stack plugin. Means that actually this company made a plugin, a main plugin, and then they made like other plugins like Cryptocurrency Widget Pro, Cryptocurrency Exchange List Pro, and all those plugins are of course available in the description of this video. And once you have bought the plugins, you can download them. And to download the plugins, you just need to go here and then go on download. And of course, you will find your plugin here. These aren't the current plugin. There are other plugins, other scripts that I bought. Just click on the download button, and of course you can download all the files and documentation of the plugin, and then also the license in PDF or text file. Once you downloaded all the files, you will end up by having this folder, and as you can see, I have all 4 of the plugins, and I will start to install those right away. Great. And on plugins, let me find plugins, add new, and I'm going to start uploading my plugins. So go back to your folder. I'm going to actually take this, drag and drop it here. So the first plugin, install now. It's the search add-on for the crypto plugin, so I can activate it right now. Then I'm going to add a new plugin here, upload, and of course again back to my folder, CoinMarketCap, install now, activate the plugin. Great. I need to add new first, and then upload, and then back to your folder, select the Exchange List Pro, install now, activate the plugin, add new, upload plugin, and again back to my folder, and the last plugin, the Price Ticker Widget Pro, install now, activate the plugin. Great. So now, as you can see, we have some messages here because we need to activate our plugin, of course. And back to your download page, you can download, and of course for each plugin you need to download the license text, right? So after that, you will copy the text. Of course, we need to activate this, and to activate that, you just need to go on crypto plugin here. As you can see, after you installed all the plugins, you will have this new tab here on WordPress, and you will have like the main plugin, this one, this is another main plugin, and this one. And as you can see, there is also a nice dashboard here that is showing you which plugin you have. And of course, we have also the crypto ICO list that we'll see maybe at the end of the video. So yeah, we're going to work with this. So I'm going to click on registration here. And by clicking on registration, you will be able to register all the 3 plugins, like these 3 plugins, right? And to do that, you just need to copy your license key. So after copying the license key, you just need to paste them here. 1, verify key. Great. The second one, verify key. And then on the third one, and verify key. Great. Now all of the 3 plugins are verified. So let's go on our dashboard. And now we can see that there is no error messages asking us to activate the plugins. So I usually get on my plugins page then, so to check if there is any update. So there is no update. We have the cryptocurrency search add-on that we added. I didn't activate, so make sure this is activated too. And yeah, once you have all those plugins in place, we can start and build our website, right? So let's go on the crypto plugin here. Now we have all those cool stuff to choose. Of course, I'm going to first build the header of the website. If I check my website right now in my live, this is how it looks. So we need to change many settings. We need to start building the page. We need to start making the header, footer, and add all the functionalities. At the end, we will be styling everything to make it look better. So now let's go on pages, all pages, and as you can see, the plugin will build some pages for you. And yeah, all those pages should be there, and you should delete, if you want to keep it clean, the other pages that we are not using, like those ones, and move to trash and apply like that. Great. Let's create a new page by clicking on add new, and we will close this, add the title, coins, publish, like that. I'm going back, add a new page, Defi, publish. Okay, I'm going back again. Here we are probably going to appearance, menus, and we will build the menu of the website. So I will call it like this. You can call it whatever you want. Create the menu, and now we are going to add all the pages. So you can actually select which one you wish to add to your menu. So let me select the pages that I need. Like this. Let me check on the top. We have some more. Here we are. Great. Now we need to check, and yeah, we have all the pages, so we can add it to the menu. You can also change the order of it. So just click on it and drag it wherever you want. So I usually keep the contact us at the end of the menu, and then I, put in order all the other menu items. Great, now you can save the menu once you have set it up your menu, right? So let's go on templates and theme builder. Here we are going to build all the pages. So first let's start with the header, and you can select one or just close this tab and just create your own very quickly. So by selecting this, and then we are going to of course add some logo and the menu on the top. So click on here with the right click and then add a and as you can see, we have all our menu items. You can drag this column here so that it takes the full space. Now we can click on the section, the main section of the header, and just add some weight to it, because you know, I would like to have the menu to take more space on the screen. Then on the column, right click, you can add a third column. Okay, and here we are still dragging all the stuff, all the columns, so we have the menu that will stay in the middle of it. Okay, great. Let's now make some changes to the column. So I click here on the column, vertical alignment, and make it middle. The same thing to all the columns. Okay, and then click the plus button here. We can add another section. Click on the widgets, search for shortcode. Great. And now here we can add our shortcode. So let's get back in the dashboard, and I'm going to show you where is the documentation to get all the shortcodes that we need. So here in coin settings, documentation, and as you can see, we have a ton of shortcodes that we can use. Get the first one, copy it, and then get here where you added your shortcode widget, and let's paste the code in it. So if you don't find it, you can open the navigator, and as you can see, we have the shortcode here, and paste the code, the shortcode, sorry. And as you can see, now we have some data, right? So this is working really nicely, and we are going to select the width of the section, change it to 1400, for example. And as you can see, now it's taking more place on the screen, and I will drag it and drop it on the top. Close the navigator if you don't need it. And here we can add another widget. We made a third column, and we can add another shortcode. And here I'm going to add another one from the documentation. And as you can see, you can also go on plugins, and when you get to the plugins, there is the cryptocurrency search add-on, and there is a shortcode in it. You can copy this shortcode from here. Probably is also in some other pages, but I copy from here, and then I'm going to paste it here so that the search functionality could work, right? So we need to style it, of course. Now it's a little bit strange like that. So you can publish first, add a condition to the header, entire site, and save and close. So now we can edit the code by changing. For example, we have large here. We can actually change it to small, and as you can see, this fixed everything by, you know, editing the code, right? So I'm going to CoinMarket and add a link. So most of the time the site URL, so that whenever you click on it, you get to the homepage of the website and update the page. Great. So go back to view page, and now we are viewing the page. We have everything set it up, looks great. We have the pages, we have the search on the right, we have the sub pages, and of course you can edit these as you wish. For this tutorial, I'm trying to do the basic stuff so that we can you know, go faster. Let's try and add more widgets to the home page. Okay, go on templates, theme builder, and we are going to create a footer first, and by clicking on add new, we are going to add, of course, a new footer. And of course it's the same way for building the header. So close these and start building your own footer by adding the columns you want. I just added 4 columns here. Then I'm going back on the widget and adding some heading like this. So here, of course, you can style, add the text you want, your logo. In my case, I'm going to add CoinMarket very simply. Add a widget, a text widget, so that you can add also some nice text to it. Remove some spacing, great. And here you can add many stuff as you wish. So let's go on the widget, and then I'm going to try to add some stuff here. You can actually add anything, but most of the time I usually add some menu and pages. So I usually get here and create some more pages for the footer. So I will really quickly add all the pages. Great, once you added all the pages, let's build some more menus. So click on menu and we are going to create a new one. Okay, click on that. And now we are going to add some footer menu, right? So create menu here and now add some pages. I'm going to reuse some of the pages that we made for the main menu and like this because we are going to build more footer menus, right? So first of all, select some of those pages here. Okay, stable coins, maybe not. Great, so check it out what you want to add on the first footer menu. I guess that it's okay. Block explorer and calculator. Okay, let's do it like this. Okay, add the menu. So now we have footer one menu. We can actually fix this, and then I'm going to save the menu after I fixed the position of those. Great, so as I said, save menu. Perfect, so I'm going now to create a new menu again by clicking here, and we are going to choose the name like footer 2 in this case and create a menu, and I'm going to add some more pages. Now I'm adding the pages we just created, privacy policy and all those kind of stuff like about us, term of conditions, and whatever. So yeah, contact us, add the menu, and that's great. Just if you need to fix them, just drag and drop like always. Perfect. Save menu, create a new one, footer 3, create menu, and then we are going to add some stuff here like blog or some custom links. So you can actually add the URL. In my case, I will just add a hash and add Facebook and whatever, like your social media links. You can also use icons, but to make the tutorial even faster, I'm going to really add those very quickly. YouTube, my favorite platform, YouTube. So let's add another hash and maybe add Twitter. I'm not sure if you use Twitter, guys, but I love Twitter too. Okay, great, so we have all our links. Save the menu and just let's go on. Get back to the page, publish the page, add condition, entire page, save and close. So now we need to update the page so the new menu will appear in our widgets, right? So once you updated the page, click on the column. You can add a new column here and change the width of the main section like this. And of course, now we have more space. Click on the widgets, nav menu, and I'm going to select now vertical. As you can see, we have the footer one as a selected menu. We can copy it and paste it so we are a little bit faster. Click on the second menu here and change to footer 2, and in the third one we will call it footer 3. So now we have our menus in our footer, right? Of course you should style it to make it look better, but anyway, we are just going to add some subtitles like this, useful links. Change the style of it. Maybe the text is a little bit too big. Great, copy that and then paste it and paste it. We are going to move those and edit those, of course. Click on it and drag it to the top. Here we can change the text. like this, company, and then here we can add social. And yeah, I think that's great. So now we are done. We are going to add actually the copyright. So get a new section under that. Select the section. Let's change the width 1400 so it match the other one. Click on the widgets and add a text editor. So here we'll be adding just our copyright like this. And of course, we are going to remove some space. And yeah, that's all. So close this like that. Let's have a quick look, and I feel that it looks really good. Okay, we can update the page and keep on with the crazy tutorial here. So get to the view page, and now we are checking a little bit here, and as you can see, we have the footer and the header. They look not very nice, but actually you can style it yourself after it. So get back to the WordPress, the admin panel, and go on pages. And as you can see, we didn't make the home page, so we need to add a new page and build the home page, the most important page of the website. So I'm going to publish it right now by clicking on here. Publish it, great. And now, before editing with Elementor, I'm going on the admin panel again and change the settings to make the home page as the main page of the website. So go on reading, after settings, static page, and then you select the home page. Here is it. Click on that and save changes. Great. Now we can get to the website and we have the home page. So make sure the home page is set up in this way. And now we are, of course, going back on all pages here and just select the home page. Where is it? Where is it? Here is it. Front page. So this is correctly set up. And now I can click on it and, of course, edit it with Elementor now. Great. So now we are going to have fun setting up this page. So first of all, go on the setting page here icon, hide the title, and now we can start building our blocks. So by clicking on the plus button, go and select this block here, click on this main section here, and then we are going to add the width. So I'm going to make it all 1400 in this case and add a new column like that, and of course getting on the widget. Getting a heading title, changing this to today cryptocurrency price by market cap, and then I'm going to add some text like that. Paste it on the text tab is better, otherwise it will copy the formatting. So click on the column here, and now we are going to advance and add some padding, right? So percentage, and just add some padding so it looks better and nice. Great. So let's click on the second column plus button so we can add a new widget here. Search for the shortcode, of course, and we are going to add another shortcode of our plugin, right? So let's get back to the WordPress admin panel and then go on crypto plugins, click on it and select all widgets. Here, I'm sorry, not all widget, but add new widget, sorry. So I'm going to add the news widget like this, and then type, select the news feed, and then here disable from page, nope. Background color, I will keep it white because the website is all white. And newsfeed layout, the ticker, newsfeed URL. Okay, I'm going to take this one, copy and paste it, and copy this one and paste it. This will automatically get the news feeds. Great. And then anywhere for displaying the news feed ticker, speed ticker. Okay, that's all. So we can click on publish right now. Wait the loading, takes a little bit of time. Okay, now it's showing you also preview of the news feed, right? So now we can get the shortcode that you find here, copy it, and then you can also find it here. So it's the same, you can copy there and then paste it here. Okay, So once you've done that, you can actually update the page and check out the page and see how it looks like. And as you can see, it's working fine. If you mouse over on it, it stops, and if you click on it, it will bring you to the news, right? So let's close this now and let's fix a little bit the column. So click on the column, add the vertical alignment to the middle, like that. Great. Let's update this. Get back and let's view again the page. Okay, now it's in the middle. Of course, you can style it even better, but let's try to get fast with the video. So back here again, and now let's start to build the rest of the page by clicking here on the plus button, the section here, and we are going to click on the main section here again, and make sure you have 1400 of width. Okay, then we are going to click on this little icon to get the shortcode widget and click and drag it here like always. And now we need to add another shortcode, of course, from the plugin. So crypto, get here on where is it, coin settings, documentation, and we are going to add the top gainer shortcode, right? So copy this like that, get back on the page and paste it in a shortcode widget like this. Great. Probably you won't see anything here. You just need to update the page and check it. But anyway, let's try and change first of all the coins. So I'm going to update the page. And now, as you can see, it's showing me 3 coins, right? So you can edit the shortcode to display how many coins you wish. So we are doing the same thing for the other columns. So add a new column here and copy this widget and paste it in the new column, right? You could even duplicate the column. But anyway, you can edit the second column widget. And we are going to add another shortcode like the top loser in this case. So on the right side here, we are going to paste the top loser and change the coin number here to 3 like the other one. So let me try to fix that. Okay, 3, and now it's showing 3 coins, right? We can also change many other stuff. So apply this and let's see now after updating the page how it looks. So if I refresh the whole page, as you can see, now we have the top loser on the right and the top gainers on the left. This is pretty cool, right? So let's get back now on our page and let's add a title to this widget so it's more, understandable. Top gainers, great, copy it, paste, drag it on the top, and this of course is top losers. Perfect, like that. Beautiful. So we can add a new section right now, clicking on the plus button, click on this section here, and again select this and 1400 of width, and here we are going to add some really cool widget this time. So I'm going to search for the shortcode, drag and drop it like always, and here we are going to add our main widget, my favorite widget, and let me check where is it. Okay, so we have also the coin list here. I will explain it better afterwards, but you can enable and disable the coins that you don't want. But anyway, let's find our shortcode right now. So create a new one. I'm going to add a new shortcode here, and I will give it a name like coin main list. Okay, something like that. You can select the currency, the coin per page, 100, whatever you want, total, number of coins to load, all. Select the category. You can select a category for the coins, and of course, a lot of other options that I will leave you, study a little bit if you need it. So you can also display the changes. There is many options, as I said. You can also enable the search result. That is great, so that the search system can work, of course. Display the market cap optional, and here you can, you know, check or uncheck. But anyway, if you want to have the same result as mine, just check the video, just you know, enable whatever I'm enabling here. Yeah, so a ton of features, right? Great. So now we can publish this, okay, in this way, and we are going to copy the shortcode here. So copy it and then get here on the Elementor page and paste it again. Perfect. Now we have this cool widget here, and I'm going to click on update so we can check the website right away. Let's see how it looks. Perfect. Looks, this is amazing that you have all the list of coins. They are updating in live. You have all those green bars and stuff going on. It's really, really crazy. I really love it. So yeah, you can scroll down. Of course, you can change the pagination because this looks so huge. and we are going to change some setting. So coins per page, as you can see, we can put it on 25 so it won't be so big. So get back here and update the page, and as you can see, now we have 25 coins, and we can click on next, and we have another page of coins, and all the cool coins will be displayed in this widget. So we have the search system here. You can also search for, let's say, Bitcoin, right? And if you select Bitcoin, you have all the crypto associated to Bitcoin. Let me try to search for Ethereum, for example. As you can see, we have Ethereum on the first place and all the other coins related. Cardano, another great coin. As you can see, Cardano here and all the coins related. So you can also click on the favorite, and the favorite system allows you to save those, and of course you can then go and find them. Let me select some of my favorites, and now if you click on this star, I have my list of favorites. This is so freaking cool, guys. So you can just click there, click again, and as you can see, you just removed your favorite. So just click on the little icon and you can set or remove your favorite coins. Great. So let me set up my favorite coins right away so that we will keep it here, and you will see that even if we change pages or update, they will be saved on the favorite list. Okay, what happens if I click on Bitcoin? So if I click on Bitcoin, as you can see, I get to the single page of that coin, and this is automatically generated by the plugin. You can change the charts. You can also check, you know, all those kind of cool information. It becomes a really cool website for crypto. So as you can see, you can change the dates. There is a calculator in it. There is a ton of tabs that you can use. It becomes a fully functional cryptocurrency website. And as you can see, we have also the historical data. All those information is fetched automatically. You don't need to do anything to have those. So you can play around and check all the stuff going on, like the exchanges, for example. And we have also other tabs that I probably show you in the next video. But if you click on an exchange info, you get even a page dedicated to the exchange info. So it's very, very well structured. And if I click, as you can see, on any link, I get to the page. So this is very, 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 very useful. So as you can see, if I click on watch, this will save it on my favorite again. So you can actually add your coins even when you are in the single page of the coin. That's pretty cool. And yeah, let's see now what we have next. So now we are going to edit the single page for the coin because I feel that there is some data missing here. So we are going to make sure everything is in place, and I'm going back to the admin panel, all pages, and here we need to change this page here, the CMC currency details. Okay, this page need to be edited, right? So let's click on edit with Elementor here. Wait for the loading. And now here, as you can see, we have this section here. I'm going to change the section already to 1400 and update the page. If I click update the page of the single coin, as you can see now, this is changed. But I feel that's still missing some information here. So I'm going back here and change some settings. So click here, exit to dashboard, and back here, check crypto. Okay, and then let me check, where is it? Where is it? Coin list. Okay, we can edit the coin. And here we are actually going to add some content, right? Some text, for example, a coin description, and we can edit each coin on the website in the same way, right? So I'm going to update this. Probably there is a bug here. As you can see, if I update it, it's going to show also the description of the coin if you wish. Probably this is a little bug that maybe in some updates now it's fixed. So I'm going back to coin settings again. Let me find, okay, so we have some settings here, like the enable formatting and enable live price updates. Chart color, okay, great. You can save on the coin settings, and now get back here and try to update this. And as you can see now, we have some more data, right? We have the market cap, volume, and whatever. So this is really great. You just also need to check their settings and maybe make a shorter description for the coin. And yeah, so let me check some other settings here. Coin list, and go and edit again the Bitcoin, and make it a little bit shorter in this case, like that, and update again. So should be great now. Okay, perfect. So now we need to fix this. It's actually an elemental problem, so it's very easy to fix. Actually, we are going to edit the single page for this coin, or for all the coins, sorry, all pages, and we are going to edit the page we changed before, edit with Elementor. And here on settings, we forgot to hide the title. So now if you hide the title and update the page, we should be okay with it. Okay, great. So now it's working really fine. And now we can go back to the home page like that. And there is some loading here, strange loading, but it's because we are in the backend. Don't worry, in the front end will work fine. So let's go on Team Builder. And now we are going to change the footer. I want to add in the footer section a newsletter. That's very important when you want to get more users and promote, crypto stuff. So I'm going to click on this little plus button here, click on again on the plus button, and add a section here in this way. So click on the main section, make sure you have the content width on full width in this case. Then we can change the style of it, add a background type, and I will add a color to the background. I just painted some, cool color here. We'll call it like medium blue. And yeah, that's all. So I'm going now to add some widget. I'm going to add the form widget. This is actually coming from Elementor Pro. You can also use other form widgets or extra plugins. Anyway, click on the section, the main section here, and then I'm going to change the layout of it and make it boxed. Make it the width as you wish, so you can make it really small like that. And then style it a little bit and remove the unnecessary input box. I will keep the email and the send button, of course, and I can also add a heading to this and call it, of course, newsletter, like that. Great. Click on the section here and change the height to mean height if you wish, and just change the mean height like that. I'm going to add some text also, and yeah, I guess that looks great, right? So click on the input box and remove the label. That look better. Click on the section And then the minimum height, try to find a good amount of spacing like that. And yeah, I feel that that could be really nice. Okay, so let's get back here. Click on this section again, advanced, and I'm going to add some padding, right? So click on the percentage button and unlock all the boxes here like that, and add like some padding on the top, for example, so it makes make it looks a little bit better and clean. And yeah, looks good. Click on the box here, email, and change, of course, all the settings. So you need to add your email here, and of course change the setting based on your email, right? Yeah, great. So I can click on this plus button here again, click plus again, and select a structure. So selecting, let's see, the 3 column structure, and let's add some widgets here. So I'm going to search for a widget, or maybe let me go on the dashboard, I mean on the admin panel, and check for the crypto widgets. Let me find it. So add new widget. Here we can add some more new widget, and very quickly going to add a title to it, and we will be calling this ticker very simply. Okay, so we can set up the top 10 showing the coins. Then we can set up the footer. Okay, and then the background color, we can change it with another one like this, and great. Font color also could be changed as you wish. Let's try to add our own color here. Great. Okay, we can publish this. Of course, we get the shortcode, but in this case, we don't need to use it because this will be applied automatically to the website. This looks really great. And yeah, I will change this to ticker footer so it's more clear, right? Okay, so I'm going to update the home page. As you noticed, we have this widget working without having to copy the shortcode and paste it in the Elementor page. This will work fine by setting up the widget, right? So now we are back here, and I want to add some more widgets, some more stuff. So I'm going to edit first of all this section here. I'm going to add some spacing, just some little fixing. And then I can update this, and as you can see now, we can see the footer information, because there was an overlay, right, of the widget, so it was hiding our copyright text, and this will allow us to have everything in place. So let's get back to our footer editing here, and I'm going to add, of course, the widgets that are missing. So let's get back here on crypto plugins, select all widgets, add a new widget, and now we are going to make some new widget here by selecting the drop down and go on slider widget, for example, give the title to this widget, of course, and then publish it. Okay. So you can style it with the settings on the bottom, and of course here is the preview of it. Sometimes it gives you some little loading bug, but you know it's in the backend, so no worries. Selected top 10, and now let me update it, and this changed you know, based on what you're selecting. I can try chart and update this. Let me check how it looks with chart. It's not showing anything. So praise label, let's try this, and as you can see, showing the praise label. Yeah, great. So there is also other options here, like display changes, so it will show you like the percentage of changing stuff. Yeah, there is a ton of option here, guys, so you need to test out everything if you wish to add new widgets. Yeah, news feed, if I update, oops, it's asking me the URL, but we made this at the beginning of the video, so I'm just showing you again how to use that and how it looks. So I'm probably going to add another one of this because I feel that the one we added at the top of the page wasn't really super visible, right? So we are going to add something with the thumbnails like this one. And this I think that would be great to add it to the page, so that people can even get some information on Bitcoin and all the other crypto stuff. So you can change the number of news here, and I'm going to set up to 2. Just update this. Great. And then I'm going to copy the shortcode, of course. Copy it, get back to the Elementor footer, on this column plus button and search for the shortcode. Drag and drop it here, and of course we are now going to paste our shortcode, of course. Great. So it doesn't look very nice here, don't worry. As I said, in the backend sometimes we have some weird effect. So if everything is great for you, we can actually now add also other widgets here, and you can search for shortcode again, and of course drag and drop it in the middle column. Okay, so back here we need to add a new widget, so click. So let me rename this. I'm really get confused otherwise. Add new, and then here we are going to add another widget, and this could be the price card. And then you can also change the design if you wish. You need to test them out actually, so I'm going to rename this to price card. So I'm going to try and change stuff here to see how it looks. So you need to click on publish to check the preview every time. So you can of course go back and forth and change settings, right? So the type, I'm going to change it again and see how it looks, the price label. So it looks like this, and of course every time you change the type you get new options, right? New styles, new options. So you really can get creative here and check and find out how they look. So this is a little bit bugged probably, but as I said, most of the time on the front end it works fine. So price block, let's see how it looks. Okay, this looks cool. So they are actually accordion tabs, right? So this could be very useful if you want to save space. We can have also other kind of designs. Update. Okay, this is another design that looks great. Oh, this is cool. This is cool. This has also the graphical stuff in it, so really nice. Let me try the simple 4. Okay, like the other one, you have also some mouse hover effect probably. Let me get with one column maybe. Change the background color to white. Okay, let me check the option, guys. Sorry. So update this and let me find out how it looks. Okay, this looks like that with their graphical graphic charts and whatever. Okay, you can also select custom cryptocurrency, so you can of course add your own. This is very useful if you want to display some specific crypto coins. Let me probably copy this and paste it. So I'm going to copy this and paste it here. Okay, and apply. This still looks weird, but on the front that will be nice. Okay, so I'm going back here and adding a new widget. So let me select the CoinGecko widget. This will get information from CoinGecko. It's a platform for cryptocurrency, so we are getting their information. Of course, you can change all the settings and select also the cryptocurrency that you wish to display. Let me find out some stuff here. So I'm adding some of these. Check my settings and update this, and as you can see, you see this cool chart with all the crypto you just added. Okay, so let's copy the shortcode here again. Yeah, I'm checking out if everything is fine. Oh, we have also this little menu here. Really nice. Okay, let me find out if I can find something else. Slicer widget, what it is. Oh, okay, this is the one that we probably just checked before. Okay, I'm just looking guys to add some stuff. I think that we are going to add this one. Looks cool. It's like a slider actually, and they slide the coins. So I'm going to copy this and add this. Let me try to add this on the top with building a new section. And then let me add 1400, and then adding the shortcode widget and paste the code I just copied. Okay, so as always, weird stuff going on here, but no worries. I'm going to change the name of this and call it slider and update it once again. Add a new widget, and again here, as always, we are going to select the widget, the type of widget we want. Price card in this case. Let me try some stuff out so you can also see from this tutorial how many features this plugins has. So I'm selecting Ethereum, so we call it Ethereum probably, and then publish this, and this will look like this. Okay, so okay, great. I'm going to see if all settings are good. The background will be white like always. I update this again, and yeah, I'm going to copy now the shortcode, then get here, and then we are going to add another shortcode widget. So click on here, search for shortcode like always, and now you can paste the code. Very simple. Great. So I'm going to update the page and we will see how this looks like. I hope that they will look good. So update the page, refresh the page, and now here we have our slider and we have the news. So of course it looks a lot better than the backend. Everything looks fine, and yeah, we are going to make some fixes probably. So select the section here and now make it 1400 of width, so we have more spacing, right? Then I'm going also to change this to top 5 and update, so we have like the top 5 crypto coins. And now if I update the page, okay, we have the 5 crypto coins on the right side, but I didn't update the Elementor page. That's why the width is still like this. Anyway, let's try the slider. Looks like it's working fine. And yeah, I would like to add probably some more widget here. So we are going to probably add some more coins under this widget here. So let me get back to the admin panel. Crypto, all widgets, and again here I'm going to edit the price card widget, and here we have only the Bitcoin, right? So let's add some more coins. Where is it? Where is it? Here we are. Ethereum. Okay, update. Let me check if this is the correct widget. Yeah, so as you can see now we have also Ethereum underneath. So very nice. Okay, let's fix the news widget. I don't like that gray background, so I'm going to crypto plugins, all widget like always, and select the widget news. Okay, so we're going to change the background to white. Okay, very easily. I'm going to update this. Let me check again the page. Okay, let's get here, update the page, refresh the page, and as you can see now it's a lot better. Okay, everything is matching the colors and that's great. Perfect. So get back here and we are going to actually change the number of posts to 1 and see what happens. Back here, I'm sorry, here on the page, and let's refresh the page like that, and now we have 1 post and everything looks well aligned. So I'm going to click on the section, main section here. Now we are in the Elementor page, of course. Try the full width, update this. Let me check how it looks, and that looks in this way. Probably I will change it to boxed again and update this. Yeah, look great. Perfect. Okay, let's get back to the footer Elementor editing because we are going to do some fixing, right? Click on the section here and let's change the margin on the top. Click on percentage and just add some little margin to it so we have things a little bit more spaced. Let me refresh the page. Okay, there is more spacing, it looks a little bit better, and yeah, so I'm going back here on the footer again and then click on the section, and again I added instead of 3 4 of margin, so now it looks a little bit better. Okay, let me scroll down. Okay, great. I feel that it's a little bit better. Of course, you need to take time to design everything better. But anyway, this is the basics, and then you can really be more creative and play around. So let me get back here on the admin panel, go on crypto plugins, and then we need to get back to all widgets and edit the slider. I just want to make it with a white background instead of a gray. I really don't like that color in that way, so background color, make it white, and now we should be okay. Update, and if I go and refresh the page, now I have a more clean visual of that slider, as you can see. Cool, great. So now we need to populate all the pages here on my coins dropdown. As you can see, we have a ton of stuff to do here, but I'm going back on my WordPress admin panel, and I will show you very quickly how to populate all those pages with cool widgets. So I'm going to select list shortcodes, and here we have the main list, right? I'm going to add a new one for all of the pages. So I'm getting here, the first page is Defi, so I'm going to add Defi here, okay? And then I'm going to change this to 25, select the category Defi, and then make sure you have all your option checked or unchecked. So I'm showing you my list here. I'm going to check this also. And so yeah, so everything looks fine. Great, so I'm going to publish this right away and get the shortcode here, get back here, and of course I'm going to the page of Defi, and as you can see we have the page, the title here. So I'm going to edit the page by clicking there and then click on edit with Elementor. Now we are going to remove the title by going on settings and then hide title, and quickly add a new structure, a new section, sorry, and click here, and 1400 like always. And of course I'm going to add also the shortcode widget, drag and drop it here, and yeah, I'm going to paste the code we just got from the widget, right? So as always, update the page. Let's wait a moment and view the page. Okay, so we don't have anything here. Looks like no matching records found. So let's check what is wrong in our widget. So okay, so I guess we need to add manually the categories for Defi. So to do that, I will show you right away. You need to click assign category, and here we need to search for Defi. So if you search Defi, you get all the elements of Defi, but you actually need to categorize them manually. I hope that this will be solved in the next update, because it's a little bit a pain in the booty, and I'm going to do that very quickly. So you need to click on select category and of course assign it to Defi, like that. Next page. And you need to do the same for all of them. Anyway, for me that's okay. For the this video tutorial, I will try to be quick as possible. So now, as you can see, everything is showing correctly once you have added the categories. So you can do this for each of the other pages. So right now let's keep up editing this one. Let's add a new section, simple structure. Click on the section, make sure it's 1400 pixel width, and then advanced, and add some margin. Please select the percentage and then add your margin. Okay, so I'm going to add some text by clicking here, heading. Okay, change the text afterwards. Paste it here, and as you can see now you have the news. Of course you can add whatever you want here. So I'm also going to change it. I will probably use the news feed. So I'm going to copy this newsfeed shortcode, paste it. Now I'm going to change the settings of the column. Click on the column icon, vertical align, middle, update the page, and now it should be okay. Okay, so we have the title, the description, and the things. So now I'm going to edit again this, copy this, and then go on the dashboard, and of course go on admin panel of WordPress. So now we need to do the same thing for the other pages, right? So let's find where is the other pages, like NFT, for example. I will select NFT. I'm going to edit a page by clicking this and edit with Elementor, right? So I'm going to edit this with Elementor, and I will be pasting the thing. First, remove the title by hiding the title in this way, paste this, and now we have our widget here. We just need to change the text afterwards. So I'm going to add another section here, okay? And like always, 1400, and add of course the shortcode widget like this. And now again we need to add our shortcode, but we need to make a new widget this time, because every widget here will be different because they are showing different stuff. So add new, and then we are going to add NFT this time, and of course we can select NFT here, and then we need to assign the categories, right? So let me check the option first. So all the options are set up in this way. We can enable live updates like always, publish this, great, copy this and paste it here like that. View page. Okay, so again, no matching found. This means we need to set up manually the NFTs, right? So if I click here again, select NFTs, search for NFTs, and now as you can see you have all the NFT, and you need to manually add these. Once again, hope that in the next update it will fix this, because doing this manually, it's really time spending. Great. And now everything should be fine. As you can see, now we have a list of NFTs, and also works with the favorite stuff. It works fine, and you can do whatever you want. Of course, you need to add all the NFTs by selecting the categories, right? Great. So now you actually need to change the text. Don't forget to, of course, update also the text with NFT. Like for example, here we are adding some NFT text. And yeah, we can of course update now the page, and now it should be perfect. Great. Perfect, looks amazing. Now you should make the same steps for all the pages. If you click on Defi right now, as you can see, now we have our tokens, Defi tokens, and I get back to NFTs, I have my NFTs. Of course, now we need to do the same for all the other pages. For example, if I get on here, I need to edit the page and repeat all the steps we did. So you should end up with all those widget lists. But now I forgot one very important thing, is to enable the search result of the table. So I'm going to edit each one of those. Unfortunately, I forgot it to show it to you before, but now you just need to enable this so that people can actually search for the coins they need on each list, right? Great, once done, you can check all of your pages, and now we are going to gainer and loser page. So now we need to edit this page, so click edit page like always, and then go and edit with Elementor. Great, now I'm going to settings and change to hide title like always, and of course paste my section that I used in the other pages, and of course text. You can make your own text here. Sorry, I usually go on the text tab so it doesn't get the formatting. Then plus button, 2 columns, and here we are changing this to 1400, okay, and adding the widgets, right? Shortcode here, so search for shortcode, drag and drop it like always, and here we need to add our shortcode. So back to the admin panel, we need to check where is it, coin settings, go on documentation. We will get again the top gainers shortcode like in the beginning of the homepage building, and paste it here, but this time we are keeping the 10 coin list, right? We are keeping 10 coins, so people can actually see more of it, and paste it here again. Okay, update this and let me check the page, and yeah, so now we have 10 coins on the left and 10 coins on the right. And if you want more, you just edit the shortcode number. Great, so I'm going to edit again the page, and we will go and check this. So as I said, we can change the shortcode number here, and let's try to add 20, for example. I can do the same thing here, add 20 instead of 10. Oops, it's so hard to get those like that. Okay, and let me add some headings so it's more clear. Then I'm going to copy this and paste it on the right. That's a truck that just passed away. Great, top gainers, top losers. Great, update. Perfect. Now if I go and view the page, let's see how it looks. And yeah, top gainers, top losers, looks great. Perfect. We have all the footer section following us in all the pages of the website, and that's really great. Okay guys, so now is more than 1 hour of video tutorial, so I prefer to create a new video on how to build the rest of the pages and how to add even more features. I hope that this video was useful to you guys. I hope that you can run your cryptocurrency website project your own, and of course I highly suggest to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and notification bell so that you will be always up to date with my new videos. Have fun guys, and see you in the next video. Bye.